Let's review what is available on the last tab in the investment section. The tab is called Governance, and if you click on it, you'll see details about the Swap protocol governance. There are some details about how you can use this tab, so how you can earn rewards. But before we start talking about the page itself, I'd like to make a step back and to talk about the Swap token itself. As you may remember, the 0.3% from every swap is taken as a fee by the smart contract. But not the whole amount of fees go to the pool. 0.18% of fees go to the pool as a reward for liquidity providers, while 0.12% goes to swap token capitalization. Here in the Information and Pools Information tab, you can see more details. There are 4 pools available in our development environment, and as you can see here, during the last 24 hours, I can switch here to 24 hours, more than $8,000, almost $9,000 were liquidity providers' fees. So these money went to pools, and liquidity providers there will get those tokens later, of course, when they will withdraw their liquidity. 0.12% is governance fees, and this amount of coins goes to the fund, and every day this fund buys swap tokens from the Swap USDN pool. There is only one important number. It will buy back swap tokens from this pool, but not more than 0.12% per day, 0.12% of its whole liquidity of the pool. So we can say that these governance fees goes to improve the swap token performance. In other words, to increase its price. So let's go back to the investment section and governance tab. Here we can see how many swap tokens are available for staking. What is staking? Actually, it's almost same as taking share tokens. You can lock your swap tokens and earn more. And the information about the APY for a swap token you can also find in the pools information. Let's go back and see what are the numbers currently. Here you can see governance section here, and you can see the APY. The only thing to keep in mind is that these numbers are on the test environment. In the production, on the mainnet, of course, the numbers will be different. Now let's go back to the governance tab and see what we can do with our swap tokens. As I already said, we can stake them, we can unstake them, and if there are any rewards from swap staking, then we can stake them too or claim those swap tokens. So we will get it directly right into our Waves account. In the future, the main utility for swap token is governance, and swap holders will be able to vote for pool weights. There are 4 pools right now on the test environment. On the production, there are much more, and every time when the governance fund buys swap tokens, it distributes swap tokens to liquidity providers in different pools, but it distributes it according to the pool weight. In our example, the Waves USDN pool has 74% of weight. So let's say the smart contract will buy 100 swap tokens from the Swap USDN pool, and it will distribute 100 swap tokens to liquidity providers in all pools. But liquidity providers in Waves USDN pool will get 74 swap tokens, 74.25. So if you are a swap token holder in the future, you will be able to vote for pool weight. In other words, if you keep your swap tokens now and if you don't go to Waves Exchange and sell them, or to the Swap USDN pool here on Swop.fi, you will be able to change rewards, swap rewards in pools.